Hello, good day, guys. My name is Nick, technical analyst with SuperForex. Today, we shall be looking at a technical analysis on the currency pair, the Eurozone to United States dollars. And as usual, we shall be talking about fundamental analysis first before we move right down ahead to technical analysis, which is purely what we're going to be seeing on the chart. We should have noticed that the European stock markets are expected to open higher Tuesday and continue the positive start to the new year, of course, on hopes of a steady economic recovery despite a surge in the COVID-19 cases. At around 2 a.m. Eastern time, we noticed that the DAX futures contract in Germany traded about 0.2% higher, and CAC futures in France climbed about 0.5%, and FTSE 800 futures contract in the UK rose to about 1%, which gives the European indexes posted strong gains on Monday, and the first trading day of the new year with the pan-European stocks 600 index ending at a record close. Wall Street followed suit with our S&P 500, and the Dow Jones Industrial Average also closing at a record level, while Asia was largely on the front foot Tuesday. And helping the tone of Tuesday was the news that China's factory activity grew at a faster pace in December. The Kaizen Manufacturing Purchasing Managers Index came in at 50.9, the highest since June 2021, despite a sporadic COVID-19 outbreak slowing down the country's economic recovery. Moreover, the optimism exists despite the continued uncertainty around the COVID-19 pandemic, with many European countries as well as the US reporting record numbers of daily cases, prompting the reimposition of restrictions to stop the spread of the highly contagious Omicron variant. And German retail sales rose about 0.6% on a month in November, a year-on-year fall of 2.9%, and an expected improvement from the previous month. The country's unemployment rate and for December will be in the spotlight later in the session, along with preliminary French inflation figures for the same amount and UK manufacturing PMI release. Now, what has this effect had on the European USD currency? We have noticed a slight decline from the Eurozone, giving powers to the United States dollars. And of course, checking out on our daily time frame, we have seen a very long bearish candle, more like a Marubozu candle, and now a follow-up to continue what the trend started off yesterday. So we are looking for continuation of the sell trend for the European USD. And if you were to make an entry for this trade, now checking our 1 hour time frame, we are seeing a kickstart of the trend already at this point. So we are looking at a major support zone and hopefully a breakout of this zone. We're heading to another new support zone at 1.12652, and if possibly another breakout, we should be looking out for the 1.11 zones, which of course seems like a much possibility of happening and showing the decline of the European currency. Now, if we were to make an entry to this trade on our 4 hours time frame, on our 1 hour time frame, we will have two take profit zones. One at this point. We have one at this point, and another, of course, at the 1.11 zone. So your first TP point will be a 1.12672, and the other one will be, of course, at 1.11822 zone. So if we were to make an entry to this trade from this point, calculating the amount of pips we could possibly make, we are looking at close to 25-30 pips thereabout for the first TP, and an extension to the 1.11 zones. We are looking at up to 50 plus pips, or let's say 60 pips from that trader, which is good money. So that's our technical analysis on today's currency pair, the Eurozone to the United States dollars. I remain your host, Nick. Bye for now.